Here is Logan trying to help me with the laundry. Are you going to help Mommy do laundry? Yeah, look at all the clothes washing. Those are your clothes. See, Mom, he takes that teddy bear you bought him everywhere. He loves that thing. We're going to bring it to daycare for him so he has something to remind him of home once he starts. You don't know if you want to do laundry or vacuum. You trying to tell Mommy something? He's saying, hey, lady, clean this house. You don't need to wash Teddy. He got a bath yesterday. He's all clean now. We washed him yesterday. Logan, you're so silly. Say hi, everybody. Logan. Logan. There's Jordy. There you go. Oh, did you see all the laundry spinning? He loves knobs. He loves pressing buttons, turning on lights. He likes to play with the thermostat. Anything he can get his hands on that moves, he just loves. Oh, what's it doing now? It's making new noises. What's happening? Yeah. It's gonna drain out all the water now. Oh, we want to get rid of all the soapy water. You're so curious. Okay, Logan, Mommy's gonna put the camera down, so say bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to give me a wave, Logan? That's okay. Everyone knows you're thinking bye-bye.